Okay, so we have developed a lightning component, right? And we know using lightning components we can develop lightning page. Okay, we can develop lightning page. You can add this lightning page to your lightning app. Okay, you can add this lightning page to your lightning app as a custom tab. Fine. Also, your lightning component, you can add your lightning component to apps. You can add your lightning component to apps as custom tab. Okay, but please remember, you can only see this lightning component tab. Okay, you can only see this tab, lightning component tab, when you are using lightning experience mode or Salesforce One app. Okay, visible on lightning experience mode or Salesforce One app. So your lightning component, you can create a lightning component tab and add it to your applications, but you can only see this lightning component tab when you are in the lightning experience mode or Salesforce One, or you are using Salesforce One application. Same goes with lightning page. Lightning page can be added as a custom tab for all the lightning apps, and it's visible when you use lightning experience mode or Salesforce One app. Now, how to create lightning component tab or lightning page tab? Okay, so we'll start with creating a lightning page as we did before. Go to setup, search for app builder, lightning app builder. There we create lightning pages. So click on the new button there, choose the app page, next give it a name, lightning page for registration form, select one column. Alright, so let me drag this component and select one property, key value from the drop down list, and let me drag it again. Okay, and then again I need to select this properties value from this pick list. Okay, now I'm this component for 2 times in my lightning page. Let me save this. Okay, page has been saved. Now I need to activate it. It is important to activate your lightning page. So it has been activated. Okay, now in lightning experience, if I want to add this lightning page as a tab in the lightning experience, then I need to opt for this here, add page to app. Okay, then this lightning page for registration form will get added to this lightning app, sales lightning app. This lightning page will get added as a custom tab. Likewise, in Salesforce 1 navigation menu, I can add this page. Okay, so in this below smart search, your lightning page for registration form will get added. Now saving this. Okay, activation is successful. Save it. Cool. Now go back and let's see this page. So we have added this page in the sales lightning app, correct? Also, one more thing, if you search for tab over here, and in the user interface you'll find tabs. Here if you scroll down, see this lightning page tab has been created with the name lightning page for registration form. After some time we'll create one lightning component tab also. Okay, so this lightning page tab has been created and I would like to see this page in the application. So I'm going to the app launcher. In app launcher I'm going to sales, and here you can see just after home tab this lightning page for registration form tab has been created. Okay, and it has registration form for girls, it has registration form for boys. It's easy, it's good, and it's interesting, isn't it? It's this one is interactive as well. You can enter all the information you want. Okay, fine. We have seen how to create a lightning page, we have seen how to create a lightning page tab, and we have seen how to add it to the lightning applications. Now let's talk about lightning component tab. In tabs, this time we'll create lightning component tab. So in the lightning component tab, you can see all those components which are implemented with the interface force app hostable. So if you go back to this registration components component, it has implemented with the interface force app hostable. Since it is implemented this with this interface, I can see registration form over here in the lightning component tab, and same is true for welcome to lightning component. For this registration component, let's give a tab label, registration component tab. Okay, and some style. You may also give some description. Then next we can go for the default tab visibility for all the profiles. Okay, and then it's done. Registration component tab is there. Okay, now I need to add this registration component tab to different apps. So what I'll do, I'll go to apps, app manager. Okay, so in this platform tools, I go to app, within this app manager, and I can add, so let's say marketing. I can add this lightning component tab that I created to this app registration component tab. I can add this. I can also have this just below this home tab, and I may also select it as the default landing tab, registration component tab. Okay, save this. Now go to the app launcher. In app launcher, go to marketing. Here you can see this registration component tab. Okay, so this registration component tab is added to this marketing application, and in the sales application we added, in the sales application we added lightning page tab. Fine. So now we understand this part, that lightning component can be added as a custom tab, and this custom tab can be added to various apps. Apps can be visible only on the Lightning Experience mode or in the Salesforce One application. Similarly, the Lightning page can be added as a custom tab to Lightning applications, and it would be visible on Lightning Experience mode or the Salesforce One app. Okay. Fine.